Preheat the oven to 375. Grab yourself a small bowl and something to mash with. Grab yourself a 1/2 cup measuring cup, some almond flour, and a ripe banana, a baking sheet with preferably some parchment paper. Super simple yet super delicious recipe. You're gonna take your preferably ripe banana, we're gonna peel the peel off, put it into our bowl. Then what we're going to do is we are going to mash the banana with our fork or our mashing device. Now you're gonna do 1/2 cup of almond flour, and then you're gonna mix this together. You can always put a little more almond flour if you want, but I wouldn't go over 3/4 cup per banana. You don't need to overmix it, just make sure it's all assimilated. Now all we're gonna do is very simply, you're just gonna take a scoop of this, put it on the parchment paper, and shape it into a cookie shape. Now you can make these cookies or biscuits or whatever you want to call them as big or small as you want, but if we break this up into 5 different patties, it's only going to be approximately 90 calories a patty. Great for portion control. Now all we're gonna do is pop them in the oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, depending on how well you would like these done. I put them in for 22. Awesome. Beautiful. You can let them cool for about 5 minutes before they're absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect, look at that. And there you have it, folks, the banana biscuit. Let's give it a try. So for every banana, just a 1/2 cup of almond flour, that's the rule. Approximately 20 to 25 minutes, depending on how well you like it. Compared to your average cookie that you might just buy at the store that has like 20 ingredients on there, different types of oils, sugars, fillers, who knows what. This only has 2 ingredients. Now yes, I do know it is not as sweet as maybe a normal cookie is, but when you get used to eating more simply, less sugar in your day-to-day life, this will actually taste amazing. In fact, you will prefer this over eating a sugary, highly processed cookie from the store. The reason I love this recipe so much is this makes a great base. The banana and almond flour base is great for any custom creation you want to do. If you're feeling a little naughty and you got some maybe cacao nibs or even some chocolate chips and you want to add them in there, you can absolutely do that. Maybe raisins, maybe a little oatmeal, maybe even a little bit of protein powder. Just keep in mind, if you do add any protein powders, you may need to adjust the bake time. But aside from that, you can virtually add anything you want into these that, you know, is wholesome preferably, and it bakes really well. It makes a delicious treat. Now keep in mind, when it does come to calories, almond flour is a little higher in calories, so these are about 90 calories a piece if you break it up into 5 different cookies. But it's not necessarily about the low calories, it's about the quality ingredients. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this baking experience. I'm thinking about making more recipe baking and maybe videos going over supplements and stuff on this channel. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Hope you all have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.